Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Friday, so 2024 May 3rd. So today we'll be cover pretty much of stocks be picked by the research houses lah. So we'll go through the disclaimer first, and all the stock picks we mentioned in this video is serving a learning purposes. It's not buying selling call for the viewer or subscriber. Let's starting with the overnight US market. So overnight US market, we can see that US market is pretty much positive. So it's rebounding. S&P Dow Jones up by 0.8%, while the Nasdaq rebounding strongly 1.5%. So we check on the news. Dow Jones closed more than 300 points higher. S&P post first winning in trades. So okay, there is a Hong Kong news by the Bloomberg. Hong Kong stock much into bull markets as global money returns. So later I'll go through some of these Hong Kong's markets, including the stocks right there. So, and in Malaysia, more FDI set to flowing in. So we can see that the with majority of 170 billion for FDI in with China last year roll in the high gears. So they are expecting for the China will be more FDI coming into Malaysia. So Microsoft, but Microsoft announced USD 2.2 billion AI cloud investment in Malaysia as well. So it's potentially will be stationed in Cyberjaya lah. So Cyberjaya is our Malaysian main data center right there. So yep. So we already seen a lot of investment coming into Malaysia because of cheap ringgit Malaysia. So this is a very good investment opportunities for long term in the Malaysia markets, be it in term of physicals, manufacturing, data center, AI, a lot of things, and stock market is also very cheap at current stage. Okay, so let's go back to the charting. Let's starting with the Hang Seng Index. So Hang Seng Index is super strong, right? You can see the trending is super strong. Let me turn on the Telegram channels. Yesterday I did mention China Hong Kong market doing very well. Buy and hold serve as a best strategy as current stretch. Please holding tight. So I have been posting the earlier status for the what they call attractive for the China and Hong Kong markets, buy and hold strategies for when was it? It's for April 24th. Even the earlier stage than that, I did mention about investment strategy in the Hong Kong market, be it Alibaba, whatever, Tencent, all those things is very good opportunities right over there. Okay. So we can we come back to some of the stock page for today. So firstly we check on some China Hong Kong stocks. Why is the China Hong Kong stock? You know. Okay, firstly Alibaba, right? So Alibaba, you can see the trending is spiking up right over there. It's already broken the resistance level. We can draw some line here. This is the major resistance, $78 for Alibaba listed in Nasdaq. So it's now climbing back above the major support early on. So now it's major resistance, I would say. So now the resistance become the major support to the Alibaba at current stage $78. So I would say investors for long term and trader for short term, you are encouraged to join in for the China Hong Kong stocks. Okay, so okay, you may be maybe need to be selective a bit. So I can change some line right here, downtrend line, shift it here. It's already broken the downtrend line, right? You can see even the momentum volume is coming in, 36 million share traded, and broken the resistance level, now become the support. And in Mandarin we call it 破底翻. So these trading channels are trading channels right over here. This box, trading box, the pro box within $70 to $78 would be serving as a trading box right over there. Once it's broken the ceiling, it now become the strong support level for the Alibaba at this current stage. So what else? Let's have a look of Tang Sun. Tang Sun, you can see Tang Sun is super strong, right? The momentum coming in very strong, very fierce. Now is a reversal of the downtrend. So many people at current stage will think that it's already risen a lot. Should I join in? Hey, cannot lah. It's already risen a lot. Should I still going in or not? So high already. Hey, you comparing far more earlier stage, then you see the highest level was about $700. Now it's already half of it. So you still thinking this one is high? I have some doubt on it. So comparing high and low is pretty much subjective and relative. Depends on how long the time frame you are comparing. Okay, so at current stage, I would say China Hong Kong market is the best investment moment. Even the past 1 year plus, then I also mentioned that you can investing strategize yourself position into China Hong Kong market. Even myself also withdrawing the EPF, EPF fund in I can investing into the what they call unit trust mutual fund. You can check on my old video to guide you through how to placing order, withdrawing the EPF fund to investing into the unit trust. Okay, so I leave it to you. So maybe I just skip for that before I wasting more time from there. So we check on the US market. US market, I did mention the flag is right over here. It managed to rebounding to 1.5%. Nasdaq still within the trending flags pattern right over there, safe. So this one S&P more or less the same. Dow Jones is pretty much like a sideways trading box right over here. You can draw some mini box right over there to have a gauge right over there. So Apple deliver better result, is it? Up by 2%. It's now trading sideways. It's now capturing back to 168 level, which is earlier on I mentioned this one is a major support level. So it managed to come back. So we will need to see this one we will continue to trading sideways right over there. And we come back to Malaysia market. So I don't want to waste too much of time to talking about too far away. So overnight Malaysia market is up by 4 points. So far considering still healthy at this moment. As I mentioned, local Malaysia market is a good investment for the 1 to 2 years onward. Okay, so let's starting with the stock pick by the research house Pro Tasco. So this one is by the CGS stock picks, right? Yep, CGS stock picks. Overnight closing 2.6 with a volume coming in 12 million share traded, which is breaking the resistance level. Stop loss level is 23 cents, which is about 3.5 cents. Stop loss level seems to be too large. Because it's pretty much more around 12% stop loss level. Target given will be 2.8 and 3.05. If you are joining in, you may wait for pullbacks, or you need to adjusting. I don't think you need to adjusting for the stop loss, but you need to wait for the pullback. Okay, for this one. So the next topic would be SNS. SNS Network Technology. This one is playing for the swing round there. Yesterday closing 3x stop loss level given is 3.5 cents stop loss level, pretty much standard, around 10%, and the target given is 40542. It seems to be second target is more reliable with risk reward ratio given. Okay, so the next stock will be covered by MBank, which is AirTech. So oh wow, this one nice pick. I mean you can see this one is the major breakup for the resistance will be 281 level or 282, somewhere around there. It's a breakout for the major resistance for the peaks. Yesterday closing is $3, and with a volume of 4 million share traded. But anyhow, if you are joining in for AirTech for this one, I was suggesting you to wait for the pullback. You must wait for the pullback because only one day yesterday it's already up by 4%. So if you are asking me where is the better entry points, I was suggesting would be somewhere around let me check. I would say somewhere around 288 to 290 level would be a better entry level. Okay, 288 to 290 range would be a better entry level. Okay, stop loss level given by the M Bank would be 266 and target given is 330. 330 followed by 350, right? Yep. So it's the blue line on top right over there. So this one is the breakout. I changed the color into pink colors. Yep. So the next topic, this one is very good picks. Okay. So the next topic would be by Maybank Investment Bank, Duo Pharma Biotech Technology. You can see that there are a lot of growth series stock back into the what they call COVID-19 pandemics, including this type of stocks has been rising a lot back to past year backs. Now it's climbing, showing momentum to break out higher. Okay, but now it's still on the low range. You can see whether you want to join in or not. So over there they mentioned this one overnight is jumping up by 6%. Is with a strong volume, 6 million share traded. Anyhow, the trending haven't changed yet, but there was a sign of potential changing and change are different thing. You get potential changing, I would say. So stop loss level given would be 114 by Maybank Investment Bank. Target is 138 and 155. So you can see that the target given and the stop loss level given is within the sideways trending range. Okay, sideways trending range level. So it won't give you a target above 171 because it haven't show a solid rebounding at current stage. So they are giving the stop loss level and target within the range. Okay, so if you like it, follow their trading plan. The next will be SWIFT shift. Okay, this one is newly listed stock. Past 2 years ago has been dropping, then it's going sideways for since June 2022. Is major sideways all along the way. So they are picking for this one. I believe they are calling this because of past 2 days for the volumes showing sign of reversal with the price pattern, price action. So overnight closing 5.3 and yesterday volume was 2.4. Last 2 days was 4 million. So so far so good but I wouldn't trade this type of stocks anyhow. If you like it, you can follow their trading plan, and stop loss level is 4.9 acceptable, and target given is 5.8 and 6.5. So it's right over there. So they are betting for this one to be trend changing, I believe. Yep. And the next topic would be K Plus, another growth series counters. I mean, yesterday I also there was a stock pick by Research House as well, which is what stock already I can't remember, another stock lah. So they are also picking. So ongoing there will be more and more growth series stock picks by the Research House coming on. So they are sign of reversal. So it haven't break the major trend yet, but I would say potentially it will short term it will go rebound, but it will take more longer time for going sideways for growth series counters. Don't be over positive for the growth series counters. And okay, overnight closing is 2.9, stop loss level given is 265, and the target is 33 and 3.8 level. pretty much standard stop loss level and target level given. Okay, so the next research house will be by UOB FPI. So this one, okay, yeah, they are betting for the rebounding. Overnight closing 289. Stop loss level given is 2474. Target is 306317. I don't like this type of stocks. Anyhow, if you like it, you follow their trend. So the next would be G-Tronic, Globaltronic. Globaltronic, okay, they did mention technical buy on the breakout 134. 134. It has to be breakout 134 only. You are buying in. Because the major resistance, recent resistance, immediate resistance is right over there, 134. So it has to be breaking right over there. Maybe 135 standing above right there, then you can buy in. That's what they mean by the what they call UOB. Yes. So stop loss level is 118. Seems to be too large to me if you are buying in 135, right? 135. Yeah, seems to be too large. And the target given was 164,174, pretty much standard of resistance. Yeah, they are betting for the bottoming. I believe they are betting for the bottoming for technology stocks. And the next stock would be Ho construction stocks. So they did mention technical buy on the breakout 155 level. Wow, this one is fierce downtrend stocks. I wouldn't like downtrend stocks, but it does serving for the volume coming in for the past 2 months. So they are betting for the rebounding and bottoming right over there. So that's why they are calling for the buy for 155 off on the Ho breakout right over there. So I need to draw one more line, right, for the breakout 155. So meaning that you need to break this level in order to buy in. So you are buying in 155 or 16 level, and the stop loss level given is 115. This is, sorry to say, that is unreasonable because the gap is too big. So let's say you are buying at 155, the gap is 4 cents, right? 4 cents, yes. 4 cents equivalent to how many percent? 4 cents is equivalent more than 20% already. So it's unreasonable trading plan right over there. You got what I mean, right? And the target given is 215 and 245. And again, I don't like this style of stocks. If you like it, then make sure you follow their trading plan or not follow blindly, because the gap for the stop loss are too big. Okay, so the last research house covered by today would be IHP, MTech, Mastertech Groups. Okay, you can see that newly listed company. This one is, they are calling for the pending breakout buy above 108, meaning that you need to buy above 108. So let's say 109 and 110 stop loss level given is 90 cents. So 90 cents equivalent to how many percent, you know? Equivalent to how many percent? Yes, for easy calculation. So let's say you're buying in at 110. So your stop loss level will be 20%. It's crazy, you know, 20%. So again, say similar to earlier stock picks. So, and the target given is 118 and 150. I don't know why they are giving so large of the stop loss level. Maybe the chartist is newly joined as a chartist. No idea. Yep. Anyhow, you can follow their trading plan if you want to, but I don't encourage to do so. The next will be Skyworld Development. So breakout above 62 cents, overnight closing 62.5, which means already broken. Breakout above 62. So but overnight closing is 62.5, meaning that immediately you can buy if the opening is 62.5. So the stop loss level given is 60 cents, pretty much acceptable so far. They are playing for the swing lah. Obviously they are playing for the swing. This one is rebounding here and a healthy pullback. They are expecting to break higher over there. So meaning that their trading blocks is right over there 62 cents. That's why they are calling for buy breakout 62. So you are buying 62.5. And the target given will be immediate resistance 66 and followed by 70 cents. So if you want to get the chartings, you can get into my channels, Telegram channel and WhatsApp channels. In the description link is provided downstairs. And then if you want to open accounts, you can check the link at the bottom as well. There's a video guidance to guide you through how to open account with Maybank. Make sure you key in the promo code, so I will service you. There's no additional charges. There's no additional charges for that. If you are trading online, yes. And then 如果有兴趣开户口的话，可以在下面找到连接，教你怎样去 Maybank to You 开启户口。所以你需要输入那个代码，然后 make sure 你要输入那个代码，到时候我联系你。有什么东西就我们就可以从那边接洽调整了哈，所以是没有额外收费的啊。今天就到此为止。Happy trading to everyone. Happy weekend as well. Goodbye.